Prams Maharaj. My name is Yudhajit. About fostering that environment around ourselves. My question was, I try to do some reading by myself. And these days I've been trying to find people, even if one person I can sit with and share that reading with. Let's call it a satsang of some sort. And I was recently trying to do a reading of Karma Yoga by Swamiji. And I was trying to do the sort of close reading which was spoken about with Father Clooney in the last session.
Yes.
And so I was trying to understand what's the best way to read through a text like one of Swamiji's works or any other, maybe the Gita. If there's two novices like myself and somebody else, how to approach an hour's time and how to read, how to sit together.
One way is to, if you can do it with somebody else, even better. 2 minds are always better than 1. And somebody else other than you, a certain discipline is imposed then. Because if I'm going to turn up for the reading at such and such time, and I don't feel like it that day, but I have given a commitment to 1 or 2 other persons, so I'll turn up. Yeah. That's a good thing. That's the advantage of having a sangha, a group of like-minded individuals. Text. Read through the text, maybe 1 or 2 pages. Then review. Review is a kind of recapitulation. What did we read? And you will often find when you're reading through, it seems simple. Swamiji's language is lucid and simple. But to our surprise, we will discover there are big gaps in what we have read. It's not in our memory. We have not absorbed it. Then the next thing to do is to revise. Go back there and see what was read. So don't be in a hurry to complete it. You read maybe 5 or 10 pages. The other person reads, 5 minutes or maybe. The other person reads 5 minutes. Then you go back and see what was read. Then you question. What did he say? And there are many things to question. For example, what did he not say? What did he advise? And what could have been the alternatives? Why did he advise this and not that? Like this. Read in between the lines also. What's going on here? Text is a wonderful thing to investigate closely. So, at the bare minimum, read, recite, review. They're called the 3 R's of close reading. First step is to read it, not too much, a chunk of it, and then recite. Recite does not mean memorize it. It means just try to summarize in your own words. And then you look back and see what are the gaps. So you'll have to revise it again, the original text. And it's a great way of absorbing a text. Then follow it up with questions, discussions. So have specific times for that. Sometimes the discussions may take you far away from the text itself. So don't do that. Around the text, discussions around the text. How does it apply to the world? How does it apply to me? Which part of it appeals to me, which does not? What is it that so there are many questions. I'm just giving you some samples. What is it that I learned new? What is it that I did not understand? What is it that I always knew and he has now put it on paper like this? Yeah. Find a group. There are these groups actually. Even here, among the young volunteers who come here, they have formed their own groups reading different texts.